Today's delivery is about to get very interesting because we are transporting something that a lot of people desperately need when temperatures start rising. A full trailer of air conditioners. And these things are not small either. We're hauling a massive load from Nuremberg all the way to Frankfurt, where businesses and buildings are waiting to install them before the heat becomes unbearable. Now, if you've ever driven in Germany in Euro Truck Simulator 2, you already know the roads here can get pretty busy. We'll be dealing with highways, traffic, and tight delivery areas once we reach Frankfurt. Plus, air conditioners are delicate cargo. You can't just throw them around or brake too hard, or we might end up delivering broken cooling machines instead of fresh cold air. So today's mission is simple. Pick up these air conditioners in Nuremberg, keep the cargo safe during the highway run, and deliver everything smoothly to Frankfurt without damaging a single unit. I actually chose this delivery myself again. Normally, the next delivery is supposed to be chosen by you in the comments, but nobody dropped a suggestion in the previous video. That also means, unfortunately, we don't have a fan shout-out segment today either. Usually, this is where I would highlight one of you legends who commented and suggested a delivery idea. But this time, the shout-out list is empty. So if you want to see your name featured in the next video, make sure you comment the cargo or the truck you want to see in the next delivery. Your suggestion could literally become the next mission on this channel. Alright, enough talking. The air conditioners are waiting, the truck is ready, and we've got a delivery to make. The city of Frankfurt has been preparing several office buildings, apartment complexes, and commercial spaces for the upcoming warm season. And if you've ever experienced summer in a busy city, you already know that air conditioning is not a luxury, it's a necessity. A large shipment of air conditioning units was ordered from suppliers near Nuremberg, and they need to reach Frankfurt as soon as possible, so technicians can begin installing them across the city. Offices, restaurants, and residential buildings are all waiting for these units to arrive before the heat waves start rolling in. The only problem is that these air conditioners are fragile cargo. Inside every unit are compressors, coils, and delicate cooling systems. If we drive too aggressively or take corners too fast, we could damage the equipment before it even gets installed. That means today's delivery requires smooth driving, careful braking, and full focus on the road. Imagine ordering an air conditioner and it arrives already broken. The only thing it cools is your excitement. While we're cruising down the German highways, if you enjoy watching Euro Truck Simulator 2 deliveries, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're currently on the road to 50 subscribers, and every single one helps the channel grow. And who knows, maybe one day we'll even pass MrBeast in subscriber count. Okay, that might take a few thousand years, but a truck driver can dream.
Go straight on. Keep right, and then turn right.
Quick update for everyone watching. I've also created a TikTok account with the same name as this channel. So if you're not really a fan of the YouTube Shorts format, you can still watch the same short content over on TikTok. I'll be posting clips, highlights from deliveries, and updates there as well. It's also a great way to get notified whenever a new full video drops on the channel. So make sure you follow the TikTok if you want to stay connected with every delivery we do on the road.
Keep right.
Driving through Germany in ETS2 is always a great experience. As we leave Nuremberg, the highway stretches out in front of us with smooth asphalt
Exit
and
right.
wide lanes perfect for long-distance trucking. Along the route, you can see beautiful
straight
countryside views. Open farmland, forests lining the road, and small towns scattered across the landscape. Every now and then you pass bridges,
Keep right.
rest areas, and long highway exits that remind you just how massive the German road network is.
On the Continental Highway, my journey starts today. Driving through the cities and towns, come what may. Feel the power of the diesel in this long haul race. Putting every piece of cargo in its destined place. One more delivery to make across the land and sea. This open road will always be the truest freedom for me.
Keep left.
Let's jump to some outside cinematic camera shots so you can really see the truck and trailer rolling down the highway. From the outside view, you can see the trailer packed tightly with air conditioning units. Everything is secured carefully, but even then, we still have to drive smoothly. One rough bump or sudden maneuver could risk damaging the cargo, and these units are not cheap. So for this delivery, the rule is simple: smooth driving equals safe cargo.
On the Continental Highway, my journey starts today. Driving through the cities and towns, come what may. Feel the power of the diesel in this long haul race. Putting every piece of cargo in its destined place. One more delivery to make across the land and sea. This open road will always be the truest freedom for me.
Exit right. Turn right.
On the Continental Highway, my journey starts today. Driving through the cities and towns, come what may. Feel the power of the diesel in this long haul race. Putting every piece of cargo in its destined place. One more delivery to make across the land and sea. This open road will always be the truest freedom for me.
All right, we are now getting closer to Frankfurt. Traffic is getting heavier, the roads are getting busier, and you can already see the tall buildings starting to appear on the horizon. Frankfurt is one of the biggest financial centers in Europe, which means the streets here can be packed with cars, buses, and delivery trucks. While we need to stay sharp and navigate carefully through the city to reach the delivery point, the customers are waiting for these air conditioners, so we're almost at the final stage of today's mission.
And then exit right. Exit right. Get ready to turn right. Turn right. Right, and then turn right. Turn right. You have arrived at your destination. Your route guidance is now finished.
All right, I'm going to speed things up a little bit here so we can get this trailer parked properly. The delivery area is a bit tight, so we'll need to line up the truck carefully. Watching the mirrors, adjusting the steering, slowly backing the trailer into position, and there we go. Perfect parking. The trailer is lined up and ready for the workers to unload the air conditioners. And just like that, the delivery is complete. We successfully transported these air conditioners from Nuremberg to Frankfurt without damaging the cargo. Another smooth ETS2 mission in the books. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe for more Euro Truck Simulator 2 deliveries. Until the next trip, the cargo is delivered, the engine is off, and the road is waiting for the next adventure.